In this video, I'll show you how to install ceiling fan. Firstly, ensure that the box is rated for ceiling fans, often indicated by a label in the box. If the existing box isn't rated for fans, replace it with a fan-rated junction box and install a fan brace between the ceiling joists to support the fan's weight. 2. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker and set all wall switches to the off positions. Now, disconnect the old fan fixture. Remove the existing fan or fixture, disconnecting any wires, enlist a helper for assistance in safety, taking down the fan. Now, place the fan brace through the drywall and rotate the square tube with your hand until the teeth are locked into the ceiling joist. Secure the U-bolt bracket to the fan brace and make sure it's centered in the hole, with bolts facing downward. Thread the cable wire into the junction box, slide the box up so the bolts slide through it, and then tighten the nuts to secure it. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for attaching the bracket to the junction box and press the main wires through the center of the mounting bracket. Leave the mounting bolts on the junction box and slide the fan bracket over them and tie them securely. Place the fan bracket over the mounting bolts and fasten it with provided nuts. Ensure you have the right downward for your ceiling's height and angle, especially for sloped ceilings. On a flat surface, slip the canopy onto the downward and thread the main wires through it. Attach the Selvis and coulter pins to the downward and to connect it to the fan's base. Fix the bulb-shaped fitting at the top of the downward of the mounting bracket on the ceiling and thread the electrical wiring through the canopy ring. Now, hang the fan and connect the wires generally. Secure the wires, trim excess wires, and then attach the canopy. Finally, use the included hardware to attach each blade bracket to the fan blades and start each screw in the fan blade before tightening them completely. Using the brackets, attach the blade to the fan motor. And finally, double check all the parts are securely attached and turn on the power at the breaker and test the fan to ensure it's working properly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.